Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have learned about how the ICT is useful in school and as well as in hospitals. Today, we are going to learn how ICT is useful in transport. So, basically, transport means traveling, right? Traveling from one place to another place, right? So, we can travel by the railway or your own vehicle or by airline as well you can travel. So with the help of ICT you are able to book your tickets, you are able to check the timetable of railway or airline. Again you can check the availability of the tickets as well. So now no need to stand in queues to book your travel tickets. With the help of ICT tool you can book your tickets online as well. Here you can see in figure 1.4 they have shown us some examples of how the window of book ticket it will shows. Okay, what we learn about transport, right? Now we are going to learn how the ICT is useful in entertainment industry. So now how the ICT is useful. You all like to watch the cartoons on television, whether you have the movie, okay, animated movie also you like to watch. So how they created with the help of ICT only, they create the cartoon characters and animation also, right? If they want to show the special effect like the tsunami or alien, so this all things have done with the help of ICT only. Even you can see some voice in cartoon character or in movies are different. Okay, a special voice was there. So this is also they have made with the help of ICT only. And now you all know the movie watching experience has been reached new heights, that is we have the 3D technology, and this all things are possible with the help of ICT only. So ICT is useful in entertainment industry as well, to do the animation, to create a cartoon characters, to create a special voice, and to develop the watching experience. Okay, the development of watching experiences is 3D technology. Okay, you can see here they have shown as 1.5 figure. Here they have created a cartoon character, right? Here you can see, right? So this is how an ICT is useful. Now turn your page. Now how the ICT is useful in learning, right? We all learn computer in school as well. So ICT stand for what? Information Communication Technology. So it help a teacher to teach the students, and it helps students to learn the new things with the help of videos. Okay, also we are sitting at home, right? But with the help of ICT tools, communication devices, we are connecting to each other, right? We are communicating with each other. And not only this, this ICT provides some software applications or some friendly study material that help the students to learn better. So this is how the ICT useful in learning. Next use is ICT in business. Okay, so in this figure you can see some people are sitting together and some are there in the on that screen. Okay, so this is the video conference, right? So with the help of ICT tool only they are taking this video conference. Okay, now how the now ICT is useful in business. So you all know that business offices is not on the one place, right? And they perform the many functions at a time. Okay, so without the computers and without the ICT tools it is impossible to have the communication and to do the online things. So for in offices ICT tools are used to keep records. Next is to do the e-banking, e-commerce, e-trading. Okay, again as I said that everything is available on online. So when a we have the business. When you are using an ICT tool, no need to go to sell your product to buy the raw materials, and no need to go in banks to deposit the check with the help of ICT tool. Another, all the things, goods and services are available on the online services on a computer. Next thing, with the help of, as I show you this video conference, with the help of ICT tool only, the persons are sitting far away from us, we are closer to them with the help of video conference. We can saw them, we can talk to them. Okay, and next thing is ICT help us to gather the information with the help of search engine. Not only to gather the information, we can examine that information, and we can transfer the present information to a wide range of audience as well. So this is how the ICT is useful in business. Thank you, students.